Hi guys, do you feeling the nervous while you speaking the English? So you are not alone. So today I will share something new and how to speak and how to the confidence to speak your speaking communication improve. So do this. The instead of the every person they're all the starting to English it is the struggling. I know because of the every person having the environment while they are speaking their practice. So do this. Don't instead of how to say, don't use the difficulty word. So start simple. So every day you need to speaking the small sentence and the small words. So it is helpful for your communication. Don't like you using the difficulty word, you can't speak the English. It is the your low confidence, I think. So do this simple word. Yeah, you can make to speak. After that, yeah, you can easily the step up the next process of your communication stage also. So after that, I will do something better. Like if you if you speaking the English every day, it is a practicing. If you practice the every day at least 5 to 10 minutes, it is a enough for, I think. If you practice the every day, your muscles will be in the training. After that, you adopted your the English thinking also. Like after that, you should the practice. You should the reading some books also. So that is also important. And also, if you have the time, like the listening also important. If you go to the lot of the videos also there, you go to visit that video, you how to say, if you the practicing like the shadowing technique, if speaking someone, yeah, you follow on that, it is the makes helpful. You know, so many people there are the fear about the mistake. So don't fear about the mistake. If you do the mistake, it is a helpful for your fluency. If no one make the mistake, how they learning them their mistakes. So you should do the mistake. Don't worry about that. If you making the lot of the mistake, yeah, you know, yeah, I am doing those mistakes. I will never do that repeated. So it is the makes helpful, I think. So after that, you are not alone. Like you know, every person there in the womb, okay, every person there in the self comfort zone. You should speak some of the friends or the some of the your if you using like the platform, the application, yeah, you can easily speak. So and also I mentioned like one of those things. So if you helpful, yeah, how to say, you can try that. So the think in English. You haven't the experience, but you should the practicing every day, and also the think in English at least twice. So if you the yeah wake up simply simple sentence usually. I wake up, I gotta go, I eat something snacks, I will make sure. So these are the simple sentence used twice. I will use the public transport. I go to the school. I go to the university. So use the simple sentence. It is a makes helpful twice. So after that, I mentioned if you speak in English, that is much better than you are practicing the everyday. So in these videos, how to speak in the English, how to the practicing, how to so alone the practicing. If you know, just speak with yourself. If you are the alone, it is the best for your learning also. If you are alone, like in yourself, the they're not comparing that another self. So you should the speak learning or something different. Yeah, you can easily boost confidence. Yeah, you can speak little word. So every day take sip of the water, for example. So take it the sip of word. So it is a helpful, I think. So yeah, in this video, we are seeing that how to speak the English, how to be a confident like speaking. So yeah, thank you for the watching and thank you for the supporting also. if you like that video, please support my channel and also subscribe my channel. So yeah, we're gonna see next video, guys. So please wait for that. Yeah, okay, bye.